Hi, I'm going to show you a beautiful photo book that captures, preserves and presents the most precious memories for you. Now this photo book, as you can see, is different from a traditional photo album that you see after weddings. This is actually a book that you get in bookstores, say a crossword. It has beautiful finish, very high quality printing. The ink lasts almost 70 years. And the pages, the sheets, the paper used is very high quality, thick 125 GSM paper. And the usage of finish is matte, that is the lamination, and it gives a very classy look. It's not glossy, so no matter how much light you put on it, it will not reflect. It will look very beautiful. So let's go through the pages of this photo book. So this is a hard bound cover, so it gives the protection, and as it unfolds, it inside you have enough and more space if you want to write something on it. This is the cover sheet, which calls out the names of the bride and the groom. It is very classy, very subtle, gray on white. Now this is how the photos will appear. Now you can choose up to 60 to 70 photographs appearing in on 20 sheets to make it less crowded. You can choose more photos, but then if you have to increase the number of sheets, you have to keep that in mind that the cost will go up, but it will look beautiful. If you try to cram a lot many photos in 20 sheets, it looks ugly. The beauty of this photo book is in the design, the size of the pictures and the placement. So this is how it goes. These are a combination of black and white and color pictures that makes it classy. Many pictures are used in full size. This is how it goes. This is the look. The thickness of the paper is really good. It is non-tearable, so you can be safe, sure, and you shouldn't be worried about handling by kids. These are the pictures that are precious memories from your wedding, and you must present them in a very beautiful way. You can actually keep this book on your coffee table or in your collection on your shelf and show it off to your guests and friends and family members every time. Rough handling is not going to impact the pages. There will not be fingerprints on this page. That is another big advantage. And you will always feel very good. You can actually relive your wedding every time you go through the pages of this photo book. Again, this is not a traditional album. You will not see pictures of guests standing in a queue on the dais, on the stage, with the bride and groom giving a fake smile. This is how it is designed, this is how it looks, this is how it feels. I know you will not be able to touch it, but you can at least get an idea of how the photo book is, how it looks, how it is a very good form of presenting your memories. The size is 1 square foot, 1 foot, 1 foot. So 1 square feet, whatever you call it. This is a standard size, It fits very well into your backpack, in your suitcase, in your uh, bookshelf, wherever you want it to go. The binding, as you can see, is very well concealed and very nicely made. It will not give out the sheets. The corners are specially taken care of, and this is how it all looks. I hope you like the product. Thank you.